Hi, my name's Mystery Box Joel, and today I'm here to talk to you about the dirt bird. Now you might be asking yourself, what the heck is a dirt bird? Well, at its core, it's just a filthy little condor. And you might remember, if you're a fan of the pedal, that there maybe was a little problem with it. And I liked it. It could make it sound really gross. And I didn't really know exactly why it did it, but then John Snyder explained it to me in a YouTube comment, and I thought, what if I made that problem worse? All right, we're gonna jump into the controls here. And you know, if you've played with the Condor, you've seen this before. But the main thing that's different is just this sound. This, you know, sort of raspy, snarling, very unique distortion. And right now I have it on the clean channel. Obviously it's not that clean. I like to spend most of my time in the red channel. Just get more stuff happening. All the same frequency controls, so if I wanted to do like a narrow push, might as well turn the gain up. And we can boost the bass, or cut the bass. We can push the mids, or scoop the mids. I kind of like to just push everything. And we have a gentle low-pass filter to just kind of roll off highs if you want. We have a resonant low-pass filter. And by far, my favorite thing about the pedal is, for some reason, it oscillates in a beautiful way in this setting. So that's what you heard at the beginning of the video, was me controlling that with an expression pedal, and I love it so much.
A dirt bird.
How are we gonna do it? How you gonna get it? How you gonna get that dirty little thing? I'm gonna be honest with you folks, this turned out way better than I thought, and I feel a little bad about it. So we got 250 of these. They're going in mystery boxes, and that's a lot of birds. That's a lot of birds.